Hello, I am excited to show you how I use powerful tools to support property management. This includes streamlining bookings, guest communication, maintenance, and team collaboration across OTA platforms for efficiency. I have experience using Guesty as a PMS tool. It helps me manage bookings, guest communication, and operations easily. This facilitates overseeing properties across multiple channels and provides seamless short-term rental management. I use Monday.com for managing and tracking tasks. The customizable boards, automated workflows, and real-time collaboration keep our daily operations organized and help us track progress effectively. I ensure that our Google Calendars remain consistently up to date. This is crucial for managing weekly and monthly preventative maintenance and task management reminders. I use Breezeway to streamline the management of short-term rental properties. I schedule maintenance and cleaning tasks, as well as monitor and conduct inspections to ensure properties meet high standards. ResortCleaning is another cleaning tool I use to manage our properties and the cleaning team in the Nashville area. I utilize Turno to manage properties across multiple states and source new cleaning teams. This helps maintain consistent operational standards. I have used Thumbtack, Yelp, and 𝐏𝐵𝐻 to source alternative and long-term maintenance personnel. This covers home repair, dry cleaning, landscaping, and other necessary services. MaintainX is utilized to generate work orders for maintenance and repair service calls. This ensures operational efficiency and high-quality guest service. Trash removal services like 𝐏𝐿 and 𝐗𝑢𝑛k are used to ensure properties are clean and tidy. This is essential for a good guest travel experience. I use Amazon, Instacart, and Shipt for stocking the properties. This ensures the rental is well stocked and provides convenience for the guests. We used Slack for team collaboration, organizing discussions through different channels for various properties. It allows for managing complex projects with real-time messaging, file sharing, and tool integration. 𝐏𝐾, formerly OpenPhone, is used for guest communication and team collaboration. It is cost-effective, convenient for sending scheduled reminders, and helps summarize calls and manage attachments. Thank you for reviewing my work samples. My experience streamlines property operations and strengthens guest satisfaction through timely communication, smooth coordination, and collaboration. I ensure a seamless experience for both guests and stakeholders.